Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change to different Photoshop workspace. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this is a default, essential default in Photoshop workspace. If you want to switch from this particular workspace to another one, what you need to do is come to the top right there, click on Window, then go to Workspace, then you can switch to Graphic and Web. So if you are trying to create a web graphic, this is the best workspace for you. Then here you have your character, you have your paragraph, you have your font fields right here. Then you can come to the property sections right here. You have all property as far as this is concerned, property and the like. So this is look like similar to something like Adobe Illustrator. You can come to library and then layer command right here. It's that simple. You can as well switch from this particular options here, go back to window, then you go back to workspace, and then you can return back to your essential default settings. It's that simple. Go back to window again. You can also switch to workspace. You can switch to motion if you are trying to create a kind of different types of animation content. Then you are in this best environment whereby you can create an animation of the choice. It's that simple. You want to return back to your default settings, come back to window right here, and then go ahead and go to workspace. Then go ahead and click on essential default, and you will be brought back to your essential default right here. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial, tips and tricks about Photoshop like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.